right, hello everybody. Good morning. I think it's morning where you are. If not, good day. Anyway, we are back in our van, which has been a while, and we're going to do some van camping. We are going, say hi Nancy.
Hi.
Dexter's with us. I got the kayak with us. We are going to Lake Keowee. We're going to do some hiking, some kayaking. We're going to spend 2 nights there and just relax and have a really good time. Still got about 30 days or so before we close on our house. So, you know, we're trying to find things to do here locally. And I can't think of a better thing to do than to take the van and spend a couple nights camping, van camping. So stay tuned and it should be a lot of fun. Well, guys, just like that, we're here, and that's the beauty of this. We left our house at basically 11:30, and it's 5 till 12. And we've been riding around, so actually it took us about 15-20 minutes to get here. We went up to our campsite. We saw where it's reserved, but it looks like somebody's still checking out of there. So we're gonna make some lunch and just let him get out of there, and then we'll go take over and get all settled in campsite number 7. Lucky 7 this time. Ooh, all right. All right. All right, it didn't take us more than 20 minutes to get here, and we are going to hike a loop. It's called, we did it last year, it's called the Natural Bridge. Unlike the Natural Bridge, the big ones, this is a small one, and it's like 1.5 miles there. And so we're going to do that. Last time we were here was in September, this past September. And this was a really nice hike. It was along a nice stream. And we found a ton of mushrooms, but that was in September. It's a little drier now, so, and we are in the month of June, so I think it'll be a little bit different. So let's see what it's like. You notice in the center of this log right here, that is the mycelium that is eating away from this log from the inside out. And that's where your mushrooms will fruit from that. So far, that's the foraging bag, which I have no idea what's in there, but Nancy's going to look them all up when we get back. We're doing some fajitas on the grill at Lake Keowee tonight. It's going to be delicious.
My birthday breakfast.
That's a morning
birthday today.
Happy birthday, Nancy. I love you.
Thank you. I love you. Scrambled eggs and sausage on tortillas with hot sauce.
Sounds good to me.
And some for Dexter.
Day 2, guys. You would never know because we both have the same shirts on.
Backlight.
We backlight. Actually, why get another shirt dirty, right? So we are on a different trail today. I think this one brings us down around the Lake Keowee, and I think this is the one we may have been on this last year, and I was really scared because it went along these cliffs, and Dexter wasn't on a lead. Anyway, interrupted by Dexter pooping there. So we're on a new trail today, so looking forward to it. So stay tuned, guys. Day number 2 here at Lake Keowee and our van camping day. And should be an exciting one. After we're done with this, we're going to go kayaking. Guys, we thought we were going to hang out there for another day. Look at me, my hair. Well, we had a great day hiking. We got a great day kayaking, and we came back to our campsite. Oh my God, look at me. And we thought Nancy said she's going to take a little nap. And by the way, today's Nancy's birthday. Happy birthday, honey.
Thank you.
So she was going to lay down, take a nap, and was sitting in the van, and next thing you know, all hell broke loose. It was a storm and a half. I mean, the thunder, I have a little bit of video with the rain and all, but it even got worse after that. It just was pounding, and we had some hail with it. And poor Dexter didn't even get to come in the van. He was laying underneath it, and thank God he was all right. But we were going to wait it out, but the puddles were gathering there. It just turned into a big mud hole. So here we are. We're on our way home. And we did have a good time, but you know, that is the way the cookie crumbles. So hey guys, thanks for following Walker's World, and hit that subscribe button, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.